All right, traders, welcome to today's wild and crazy trading recap. Today is Tuesday, July 18th, 2023. Another record-setting rally in this market, guys and gals. Let me tell you something. Anybody that's been trying to short this market has been getting destroyed. Okay? Because we basically had the mother of all rallies today. We are setting records, it seems like almost on a daily basis. Folks, this is a day trader's dream. So let's get into it. My name is Mark at DynoTrading. If you're new to the channel, then welcome. And of course, if you're a long-term customer and or subscriber, then I know you had a phenomenal, fantastic, profitable day today. It was awesome. Okay. In fact, many of my customers emailed me today saying it was like taking candy from a baby. And these are the days that we live for, right? We need these massive trend heavy days. Okay, so what are we looking at? Well, folks, this is a chart of today's live market price action on the NASDAQ. Yes, the NASDAQ is on fire right now. And if you actively day trade the market, this I think is going to be your new favorite symbol. All right, because this thing is moving like 1,000 ticks or pips if you follow along on Forex every day. Now, let me ask you something. What market do you know that is averaging almost 1,000 ticks every day other than the NAS? Okay, I can't think of any, right? And that's why I love the NAS. And yes, you can trade the NASDAQ on any asset class. You can trade it on Forex. You can trade it on futures. You can trade it on stocks and options. This particular symbol is available in any of your broker dashboards. And if it's not, I'd be shocked. Okay, because it's very popular, and this particular symbol gives us as professional day traders a lot of opportunities every day, in my opinion. Okay, now what else are you seeing on the chart? Well, this green and red color band that you're seeing on the chart is our proprietary volume-based market profile tool. Okay, this particular indicator has one job and one job only, and that is to identify the starting points of trends in the market. That's all it does, right? That's all it's good for. That's all it's meant to be used for. And what I can tell you guys and gals out there is when you learn about and hopefully master a trend trading strategy or a trend trading technique, then this indicator is going to become your holy grail. That is not an exaggeration, that is not a joke, and that is not me making small talk with you, all right? That's real talk. This is a real professional trading solution to help traders get the direction right. I mean, how many times do you think traders out there get the direction wrong, right? In fact, many of you guys and gals today, I hate to say this, so don't be upset at me calling you out on this, okay? How many of you guys and gals out there tried to short this market or bet against this NASDAQ today as it just kept skyrocketing higher and higher, right? Anybody who tried to go against the trend today got their faces chopped off repeatedly. And it's almost like you got to ask yourself, man, how many more times can you continue to counter trend trade the market, right? Isn't it just easier to go with the flow, right? For example, when this thing is red, now it's okay to maybe short it, right? Look for nice high probability locations, and I'm going to show you how to do that in just a few seconds. But when it's red, at least you have the direction somewhat right. You know what I'm saying? And of course, when it's green, again, at least you have the direction somewhat right. At least you can feel comfortable and confident that you're playing it in the right direction. You understand? Because this was it for today, right? This trend change, which the system identified at exactly 9 o'clock in the morning, we got a trend change alert. Okay, this told us that at this point in time and after, there was a better chance than not of the market going up. You don't know for sure, but at least you now have your trading bias for the day. Right? Now, what would you do with that information? Well, guys and gals, you know what's coming next, right? The technique that I love teaching my clients and customers on is the most powerful pattern of all time, in my opinion. And this is the concept of a simple retracement pattern, or what many people call pullbacks. All right, what's a pullback? Well, let me explain this to you one more time for those of you that still don't get it. All right, when the trend change happens, aka in this case from red into green, okay, we are now on the lookout for longs, but we don't randomly come in and buy the market, right? Instead, we want to see a bit of momentum be established, right? We want to see the bulls really take control of this market and establish a bit of an uptrend, and only after that do we want to wait to see the market come back underneath the band. You understand? And you can see here, we actually get 3 instances bright and early where the price retraced. Okay, and what's a retracement? Well, look, it's any area where after that initial momentum has been proven, we want to see the market come back to us, right? Flush out all of the weak hands, get rid of all the people that were still short, maybe pull in some amateur traders and retail traders who don't know what they're doing, right? This is all where the market starts preparing for its bounce. And so, yeah, when I tell you guys and gals that these retracement areas are statistically significant areas in the chart, that should mean something to you. All right, I'm not just randomly saying it to be entertaining. This retracement means something. This retracement over here means something. So does this one. So does this one. They all mean something, right? Because like I said, this is actually the springboard and your launch pad for when the train is ready to leave the station. And this is the information that you need to know as a trader, right? The starting points of trends and the beginnings of pullbacks. You do not need to know the middle point of the trend. This is useless. This is where all the amateurs and retail traders were coming in late to the party. You certainly don't want to know at the end of the trend, right? Where all the retail traders tried to short it today and they got their faces chopped off. You understand? The most valuable piece of this system is the ability to get in and identify these starting points of huge, astronomical trends in the market. Okay? And boy, was it astronomical today. I mean, Jesus! Look at this. This move is still ongoing. The shorts are still getting hammered right now, while the longs are sitting pretty. And you know what? This volume indicator, not once did it turn red today. Not once did it ever give you a short signal or a sell signal. It was long the entire morning session. So congrats to all you guys and gals that simply crushed it today. I know you had a strong day today. I really appreciate your comments and your feedback. To everybody else, if you're still fumbling and bumbling around with your goofy candlesticks and your counter trend systems, well, if a day like today hasn't convinced you on how powerful the system is, then I don't think anything will convince you. And you guys who are not serious about trading, stick with your candlesticks, your Bollinger Bands, or whatever nonsense indicators you're using, right? The customers and clients that I like to take on have to be serious, they have to be motivated, and they have to be passionate about trading and speculating in the market. This is a day trader's dream, and I cannot wait to see you guys and gals again tomorrow. Guys, that'll do it for this video. If you'd like to get your hands on this powerful volume indicator, then get in touch, call, text, email, whatever's convenient, and I'd be happy to hook you up with a free one-on-one demo, really show you how this volume indicator is going to supercharge your trading. Guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next trade.